Okay guys, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, your baby mama, Faithdominic, in the building. Okay guys, so today's video, let me remove these glasses. Today's video is going to be on this beautiful look, like seriously simple church, office, easy going, everyday flawless look. Okay, so without much talking, let's just dive into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to say a big thank you to Layefa Beauty for always teaching me what to do in makeup. She normally do, she always moisturize her face first, and using this very product, this Miracle Scalp moisturizer, it's very nice, and I'm able to afford it. That is why I afford this product, understand? So if you cannot afford it, you don't need to kill yourself, because most of the products you use, I can't even afford them. I can't lie to you, I can't even afford them. Or the four other beauty foundation for almost 24,000. God, YouTube have not started paying me. Let me manage what I have first. So this moisturizer is very nice, and it's among the skincare. That is why anything about skin is nice. Okay, if it's nice, try and get it. Okay, after allowing it to dry up, as you can see, I'm glowing. Like seriously, I'm glowing right now. So I'm gonna use a pond primer to prime my face. Understand? Like I said, I wash my face off. Like there was a time I stopped using this pond primer, and I don't know why. Because if you apply something on your face, maybe you moisturize before using the primer, it will just work for you. It will just start breaking everything. So you don't need to moisturize your face before you use this pond primer. Now I understand more better, because it looks embarrassing. Like seriously, it looked like the thing is I started breaking already. You don't want any moisturizer in your face, you just want to make it dry matte. That is the work of this primer, dry matte. Okay, so I'm gonna start in with my brow. I want to start in with my eyebrow. I'm not talking, I'm gonna pass forward this place. Ageless concealer to highlight my face. I'm going to use a shade, this shade, and mix with Elegant Pro Concealer. Use this Maybelline foundation in the shade 370. Understand? So this is where the story will start from. Okay, so how did I get to know Layefa and what has she done to me? Okay, Layefa is a YouTuber, and she's a makeup artist, she's an influencer, she do lifestyle vlog, and she's nice, she's sweet. She just celebrated her 30th birthday, and she had really achieved a lot. When I mean a lot in her young age, she have achieved a lot. So most people that even married, they cannot even achieve that what she have achieved. in sometimes I think that marriage limits people. Sorry to say that, but of a truth, sometimes I think that marriage limits people. Why did I say that? Is that maybe if she's married now, maybe she want to do something, she don't have a good partner, they will say, oh, why are you doing this? Let's save our money for our children. This, that. Some men will not even allow you to achieve what you want to achieve in life. They will not even let you achieve it in peace. Understand? Even if they even let you, what about the family member? Understand? Problem or the other. Although I know that everybody encounter problem. Understand? But sometimes you need to achieve.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning, vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight, I know.
So I'm going to continue using my foundation to contour.
Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? My heart.
Oil control powder. It's very nice. If you want to buy it, I do sell. Understand? So just contact me and you will get it. You will get it.
It's hard to fight goodbye.
So what I'm gonna do over here, I'm gonna use a darker shade to blend this part that leads to my contour.
There's no air left to breathe.
So yeah.
Shine a light I can see.
So I'm using my powder from Elegir, the one I used to set my face earlier on. So you can actually use any powder. But I noticed that this is dark. I will still go back to my Ezekiel powder palette to brighten it up a bit, because you want your under eye to be bright, not to be dark. So I'll be moving to my powder palette, the Ezekiel powder palette. I'm going to use a lighter shade over there to brighten it up, because you need this part to be very bright. This very part you are saying you needed it to be bright. So you don't want it to be dark, because if it's dark now, your eyebrow will not pump up. Am I saying all this thing correctly? But I think that is it. Your eyeshadow or your eyebrow will not pump well. Okay, it's different now. So I will be using two shades, a very dark shade. Yeah, I think I've created something like this before in the channel, but I'm sorry, but I like this shade very well. Like, I love it.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from left. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. What you got me thinking. What you got me thinking. What you got me thinking. Lately, I've been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else. Get you out of my head, you can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. It's been harder for me now. 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 But I'll get through it somehow. 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 You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. You're not the one, no, no.
cover your eyebrows. So I forgot to add brush. I will still add it now that it's still wet. Understand so that I blend it very well. Especially if you forget to add it before you add it. So those people. After that, I'll use my favorite palette. Like seriously, I told you guys I love this palette so much, so much. Understand? So I'm using the highlighter inside. This palette is very affordable. Like seriously, if you stay in data you want it, or in Port Harcourt you want it, it's available for order. Okay, it's available to order. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Like seriously, I hope it come out well. Let me just remove my glasses so you see it very well. A very simple office look, understand, or easygoing look that you can take to church everywhere. So it's very nice. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, like, comment. Understand, subscribing is free, totally free. Okay, then also like, if you like and comment, YouTube will push this video forward. That's just it. Not that they're going to charge you extra cash for it. No, they're going to push this video forward. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you. See you next time my video. Love you. Bye.